So this is running with one machine on 60% power on 200 feet of hose. Now we're going to show the raw power and stark contrast between commercial grade and residential applications.
That thing's putting out now.
I'm a male. I'm a man. I'm a he. I don't get into that. I'm gonna start my hair out.
shout out to all of my subscribers, everyone who has hit the bell icon and stayed notified when I'm making new videos. I really love reading all the comments you guys leave. It encourages me to keep making content like this and make it more often. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider it. If you happen to like my videos, it helps. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm getting there, really close. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And as always, if you see something you want in life, go get it. Y'all, look at this. It never ceases to amaze me. You never know what you're going to find in traffic. Y'all be careful out there.